Deep in the heart of the emerald forest, a strange shadow moved where no creature dared to wander. Chirp breaks the silence. A tiny blue light flutters near his nose. The forest holds its breath. In the glow below, the shadow follows. Lumo steps forward bravely, his tail lighting up like fire. The shadow wasn't a monster. It was just a lost cub seeking help. But the cave trembles again. The walls crack open. Sunlight bursts in, scattering the darkness. When they emerge, dawn breaks. The forest no longer whispers with fear. It hums with gratitude.